Welcome back to Bed Hair Guy Travel Diary. Japan Series Day 6.
Feeling a little bit under the weather, we decide to start late this morning and reading the local guide magazine. Apparently, we spend so much walking today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery with us. First stop, Nishiki Market, also called Kyoto's Kitchen.
Pro tips. Since the bus fare is flat for the city area, it is good to start your first destination as far as possible and work your way back to your hotel. We pass by two shopping streets on the way to Nishiki Market, Teramachi and Shinkyogoku. If you look up and see a super bright color rooftop, that means you have arrived at Nishiki Market. Enjoy variety of street foods from beef skewers, strawberry mochi, fresh seafoods, tempura, freshwater eel, you name it. Don't forget this one. Matcha ice cream with warabi mochi on top. My favorite. We already mentioned that today is also a culinary hunt. Our first stop is rice ball shop called Kyoto Onimaru. We are planning to buy some and enjoy them on the side of the river later today. Next destination is Kiyomizu Dera Temple. On the way there, we will pass a scenic neighborhoods with preserved Japanese architecture and other famous temple. A little cloudy sky today, perfect for our itinerary with a lot of walking. Last night we were in this area, the Gion district. Daylight and after-hour view in this area sure has its own charm. Must visit on both time for sure. The temperature is around 10 to 12 degrees, just perfect for walking. Bring your jacket along, since at night the temperature might drop a little more and a little windy. Minutes away from Kiyomizu, this, the 5-story pagoda, the Hokkanji Temple. The dark, distinct color of the wooden temple can be seen from a mile away. Since Kiyomizu is located in the foothills of Mount Otowa, the path leading to it quite steep, this makes the view of Hokkanji Temple in various angles very photogenic. And the street leading up to it full of shops selling food, drink, souvenirs, and yukata rental, a traditional Japanese attire. Kyoto known for its matcha. The actual region that produce it is Uji, a town located southern part of the Kyoto prefecture. So no wonder if the shops is flooded with matcha flavor products. Shown here is one of many gifts you can purchase in Kyoto. But as my experience, when I leave Japan via Tokyo, the airports also sell this top brands. Kiyomizu Dera is a huge complex with some tea shop and a restaurant located near the exit area. Make sure to spare 2 to 3 hours for it. Here is one of the most visited UNESCO World Heritage Site. Please enjoy the walk with us. Best picture spot is located after the main hall. There is pathway leading down to the pagoda. The Kyoto Pagoda. The view of the main hall and the pagoda with blue sky and the city landscape as background, sure one didn't want to miss. After about 2 hours, we have reached the exit area. A lot more we haven't discovered, but we must get going since we have dinner planned. 2 of our relatives are actually also in town for their holiday, but not this too. This lovely couple we met on resting area are from England, spending their retirement time traveling across the globe. On their late 70s, their spirit of adventure surely psyched. Reaching Kamo River to enjoy the rice ball. While watching the river flow, it sure gets your appetite up. We surely trying to pack our schedule up. Our second meal's a tempura restaurant. This restaurant is recommended by one of our friends. After the meals, we have a little time to rest our belly, for the dinner is in one of viral spot. With long poo, so lucky our relatives hold the line for us first. After dinner, we go back to hotel to pack up, because tomorrow we are head for Osaka in the afternoon. Thank you for following us on our day 6. Hope to see you on our day 7. Travel from traditional Kyoto to urban hype Osaka.
I will see you tomorrow.